In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Copilot in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and easy installation process so you can start using Microsoft Copilot as soon as possible. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open the Microsoft Store. It's easily accessible from your Start menu. Simply click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and type in Microsoft Store. When it pops up in the search results, go ahead and click on it to launch the application. The Microsoft Store is your destination for downloading and installing all sorts of apps for your Windows device. And today, we'll be using it to install Microsoft Copilot. With the Microsoft Store now open, you'll see a search bar at the top right corner of the window. Click on that search bar and type in Microsoft Copilot. The search results should display the app fairly quickly. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've spelled everything correctly and ensure that your internet connection is stable, as this can sometimes affect the loading of search results. Once you find Microsoft Copilot in the list, click on it to proceed. Now you're on the app's page where you'll see the Install or Get button. Clicking this button starts the download and installation process. Depending on your internet speed, this shouldn't take too long. It's always a good idea to check that you have enough storage space on your device before installing new applications to avoid any unexpected interruptions. If all looks good, just click that Install or Get button and let the Microsoft Store take care of the rest. After Microsoft Copilot has been installed, you'll likely want easy access to it. You can pin it to your Start menu or taskbar so that it's always just a click away. To do this, locate Microsoft Copilot in your list of installed apps. You can either find it by scrolling through your Start menu or by typing Microsoft Copilot into the search bar again. Once you see it, right-click on the app. A menu will appear with a few options. Select Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. This way, you can open Microsoft Copilot easily whenever you need to. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Copilot. You're now ready to explore all the features and functionalities it has to offer. Remember, having quick access to new tools can greatly enhance your productivity and working experience. Thank you for joining me in this short tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tech tips. Until next time, happy exploring with Microsoft Copilot.